Hi guys, welcome back to In the Closet of. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I can't wait to show you what I have in store for you guys today. I just want to thank everyone who is still with us. I know I said I was going to try and push videos out every 2 months, and unfortunately life and work and everything just keeps getting in the way. And I actually, embarrassingly enough, thought I did post one of the videos that I made for April, but I didn't. And I'm not gonna lie, kind of looking back on it, it was not a good video at all. My friend was like, you know, if you're depressed, you don't have to do it. And I was like, oh, I'm not literally depressed. I actually enjoy doing this. I was just like so freakingly tired. And so I never wanna show a video it seems like I'm disconnected or if I don't enjoy what I do. I really do. It's just, you know, time slips away from you. But without any further ado, I'm here to bring you another episode and to talk about what's been happening over here. So as you know, or if you're new here, In the Closet of tries to find new homes for loved items. And along with that, we also like to give back. Usually what we do is 50% of our profits are donated to a community organization. Last year, we helped children fund their library for their school and give each child 2 scholastic books. And this year, we are donating our funds to Project Petals. Project Petals is a community development that aims to improve the environment in under-resourced communities. And so we've been doing this from this year, January, and it's going to be finished in January of 2026. And as of now, we have reached 50% of our goal. Our goal is $300, and at the moment we are at $150. So I'm really happy. Not going to lie, I didn't think that it would happen this quick. I'm so proud of everyone who has purchased, and also I'll also include a link, so if you guys want to find out more, either ways to donate directly or even volunteer your time, it'd be really nice. They try to reach out into the tri-state area, so if you are anywhere around there, definitely check out to see if they're having any event. For today, I do have a few items that I think you guys might like, so without further ado, let's get into it. Hopefully you guys can see my head. I know these heels are kind of tall. So I'm selling both the pants and the top. We're gonna get into the jeans first. These jeans held it down for years. I'm pretty sure they're older than my cousin. And now I finally cannot wear them. Very sad. This is my first, I think I got them when Reformation first came to New York, like the store first opened up. And I think it was like their first sample sale or something. It was something crazy where, because I remember I went with my friends and I was the only one that was able to get like jeans, and they were perfect and everything about it. And I lived in these jeans. I love these jeans so much. They're so comfortable. They're high-waisted. Look at that. I'm like busting out the seam. But anyway, unfortunately, I cannot fit them anymore. I think they're great. I love the rips on it, the distressed look of it all. It's very cute and they're very comfortable. I don't recommend sleeping in jeans, but if you had to sleep because you just were so overtly tired, or you were at the club or at a party and you just passed out a little bit, these are a great pair. Speaking of club, this is a Jacquemus. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I've literally tried and listened to that man say his name all the time, and I'm not gonna lie, I did take French. I haven't spoken in a while. But this is a top. There's seams going in the front as well as seams going in the back. There's a little, I don't even know what this would be called, these straps that are like caged in a spaghetti strap, and they also have this really, really cute like name pendant. I like it a lot. It reminds me of a nameplate necklace, which is also one of the reasons why I used to wear it out to the club, because then that's like one less jewelry piece that I have to put on. Anyway, this is a great outfit, running out, running errands, putting on with sneakers, which I originally wanted to do, but something about these clogs really was like, just throw them on just to see what it looks like. I feel like I honestly would wear this, big hair, hoop earrings, running out, sunglasses. Anyway, these are very much great pieces together, separate, dress up, dress down, very comfortable, and party. I'm selling this black silk maxi skirt from We Wore What. I actually brought 2 just because I didn't know the size and fit of it all, and I chose to sell the one that I didn't really like the fit of, It's just your simple black maxi silk skirt. It does have an elastic waist all around, so you can choose to wear it high waist, mid waist, or low waist. It was actually one of the reasons that I chose the other size, because I did like the way that it looked when I changed up where I would place it. To be honest, I just paired it with a black tube top and sandals. I actually like this outfit a little bit, so I probably will be recreating. But I think it's really great. You could dress it up or dress it down, and I think it's a really great piece to have for, you know, the summer if you want to do like a little night on the town. And so I'm selling this rehost dress. It's a white textured water ripple dress. I'll do a close-up so you can see the pattern and the effect. This dress is really cute. I actually brought it to possibly wear to my graduation, and I believe that was during the pandemic, and so obviously no one graduated. So I actually have two dresses that are similar, one black and one white, and I'll show you the black one later. I like this dress. It's really form-fitting. I really like the way my figure looks in this. I think even on the model, everyone that I saw with this dress looked absolutely beautiful, and I think the texture really does a really nice. Is a nice detail that accentuates your figure. I also do really like the straps and the low, quote unquote, like not too low of a back, but I think it's great. I did pair it with these sandals. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of obsessed with these sandals. I just got them. But like I said, I plan on wearing it for graduation. So the initial plan was to wear it with a heel, which also looks nice in how they would market it. But I think, you know, even if you want to do a flat sandal, I think that could also work as well. So this dress that I'm selling is the H&M and Brock collection dress. It is, some say lavender, some say like pink. It's a very, very light pastel, purple, pink, whichever light, whatever kind of eyes you have. And I love this dress. I wore this dress to the ballet. It's actually on the Instagram. If you guys can see, I wore cute little like silver snakeskin flats with it. I actually genuinely wanted to wear like kitten heels, but I just didn't have kitten heels at that time. But so I paired it with this just to see how it looks, and it looks really cute. I'm kind of sad. I'm selling this just because I genuinely cannot fit it. I'm trying to like not move as much because I cannot zip it up, which is another reason I will not be turning around. But it's super cute. It has this very fitted, straight down look. I don't know if you guys have ever seen Cinderella with Brandy and Whitney Houston, but one of the stepsisters, I believe her name is Calliope, she kind of has a dress on like this. It's obviously more exaggerated, but this dress always reminded me of that, and I loved it. I love the asymmetrical ruffles. I think it's very beautiful. Obviously, I went through it briefly with the steamer, but if you go through it like the pleats very, very carefully and a lot, and I did that when I went to the ballet in the summer, it definitely does give it more of a fluff. I love this dress. It's a beautiful dress. I'm very sad that I can't fit it. But hey, if I'm able to find a new home for it, it will literally make me so happy. This is the other rehost dress. It's black textured water ripple with pearl spaghetti straps. It definitely has the same vibe of the back. Very, very cute, very timeless with the red nails and the little flat side. Okay, anyway, that was the vibe that I was going for. Anyway, like I said, it definitely also gives old Hollywood vibe. I wanted to wear this for my graduation, and pandemic stopped it. But I think this dress is really cute. It does come with extra straps, which I really like. You can remove the straps. What I wanted to do was sew it, because I don't really like that they have the hook. And I wanted to sew it or find a way to just connect it, because I think that would make it even better, just to elevate it a little bit more. I think it looks great on the figure. I do feel like, and I might be lying, I always felt like this dress was a little bit longer, which I did like about it. And the black and the black, the pearls, the white texture, everything about it is just very cutesy. And I love it. But unfortunately, I am going to be letting it go. I think because I had it so much in my head that I wanted it to be for graduation. Graduation has come and gone. We don't want to bring up how many years. We already know how many years it's been since the pandemic. So I think it's just time to let it go and move on. I have other dresses that definitely get more love and definitely get more wear. And so I'm tired of just seeing her there, and I'd love to give her a new home. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. My Poshmark and Depop will be linked below, as well as my Instagram, so you can check it out on all avenues. I had a great time, and I hope to see you guys again. Bye.